Hey guys, and today we'll be doing firework canvases. You will need a black canvas, some glitter, PVA glue in a nozzle bottle, a pencil, some brown card, some orange tissue paper and some scissors. First of all, use your pencil to draw fireworks onto your black canvas. Fireworks come in a variety of shapes and sizes, so have a little research of this using the computer. Now go over your pencil lines with PVA glue. You definitely need a nozzle bottle for this, so you can get a nice thin line of glue. So this is my first design of fireworks. I'm going to show you two other designs that you can do, and you can make up other designs as well. When you've covered your pencil lines with glue, you can then add your glitter. You can do like I've done on here and add a variety of different colours, or you can stick to one colour, which is what I do later on, so it's completely up to you what you want to do. I know that glitter isn't environmentally friendly, and actually at our school we've banned it, but what I'm suggesting to do is use up any glitter that is left. Don't buy it purposely for this. I don't like using glitter anyway, apart from the fact that it's not environmentally friendly. It's just annoying. About 4 months on from doing a glitter picture or making something with glitter, you find glitter still around your house even when you've hoovered it every day. So I promise you now, this is the only thing on my channel that's ever going to involve loose glitter. I won't even be using it for Christmas things. But let's be honest, you can't have fireworks which aren't glittery, and they're so beautiful. Anyway, now it's time to shake off any excess glitter that you have on your picture to reveal your beautiful fireworks. Now I'm going to show you a rocket design that you could do. This is a nice simple one. I think it's really effective though. Do exactly the same process as what I just showed you in the previous one. So for this last design, I'm going to show you more of a realistic fireworks shape with the little lines that they make, and I'm going to keep them in one solid colour of gold. If you want to add more to your picture to make it more than just fireworks, you can create a little bonfire, either in the middle of the picture or off to one side like I'm going to do on this one. For your fire, you just need to cut two thin rectangles that you can cross over for your logs. And for the flames, you use the tissue paper, just rip it up and you can shape them into flame shapes. Ideally, you'll have red and yellow as well. I've only got orange at the moment. You'll notice that I haven't stuck any of this down yet. I just want to fiddle around with how I'm happy with it first of all, and then I'll glue it down with the PVA glue. And we're finished. So there's a variety of different ways of doing these firework pictures, and honestly, when they're all together, you can see how amazing they look. They make a fantastic display. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with other people that will enjoy it too. And subscribe for more children's art lessons on Mondays and my own personal art on a Thursday. See you next week for more Art with Miss Burford.